Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today I'm going to show you guys a product that I normally don't talk about on any of the content that I create, but it is an essential thing for anyone in your home, office, man cave, she shed, whatever it might be. And that's going to be something like this. Yes, a vacuum cleaner. Guys, if you live in an apartment, if you live in a home, if you are setting up your own little man cave, she shed, whatever the case it is, staying clean is a must. Now, this was sent out to me to review. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this, take a look at everything that comes in the box, and we're going to try to clean my downstairs bathroom. So we're going to put this thing to the test. Yeah, we're going to test the paint off of it. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Let's go. All right, guys, let's get right to it. Let's unbox this vacuum cleaner and see exactly what comes in the box. All right, guys, as you can see here in the box, you have pretty much everything that you need to get started. Even on the box itself, it gives you instructions that are printed directly onto the box, which is very unique. I've never seen that done before, which is super cool. But even though you still get your starter manual, you get some tools, so that's pretty cool. All right, so in the box, let's take a look at what we get in the box. So here is one of our accessories. So this is going to be one of the brushes for like upholstery, your chairs, things like that. You get this extension arm. Guys, see that? Really cool. All right, so here's the filter. So this filter is going to be like your little helper filter to help remove some of the dust and particles, while you're vacuuming. Now here's the main body of the unit. Here's the chamber right here where all of the dust and everything is going to accumulate. You have a button right here for releasing that, so you can actually detach that. And this is also where you're going to replace that filter. So you actually have two of the filters that come with it. And what I really like about this is you can completely remove this component right here. Some of the other vacuums I've used, this is kind of permanently affixed inside of it, which makes it really, really difficult to get inside there to clean it out. And then you have another pre-filter here as well. And this does have a little handle. Show you guys that. You got a little handle right there that makes it easy for you to reach in there and grab that and put all of that back together. It goes in with a little bit of rubber gasket here. So now here at the bottom, you can press this little button here, and this is going to open up this lower section for emptying the bin whenever you fill that up. Okay, so to put this back together, it just kind of lines up, locks back in place like so, and then you're going to attach your other arms. So you actually have some little leads right here, and you have those on here as well. And this just goes in like so, and then everything is attached. And now, of course, you can extend this if you need to, retract it. All right, so as far as the brush head itself, also attaches the same way. You have a quick button release right here that locks in place. So that's pretty much it. So let me show you guys what else comes in the box. This is your floor cleaning apparatus. This is going to be for vacuuming, the floors. It has the built-in wheels for this one as well. So let me show you how that fits on. So if we take off this guy here, we're just going to press that little button right here on the back. That comes off. Then we can connect that like so. Now you have this ready to vacuum as well, which is really nice. So pretty much everything that you need is going to be found right here in this box. So let's take a look at the last few accessories. This is your wall mount. Here is your battery for the unit, and the battery just slides on just like so. So here is your standard AC plug. So this is going to be your wall mount, which is going to allow you to adhere the entire thing on like so. You can lock this on just to hang it on the wall. So really convenient, guys. On this section, you do have a little ring down here, and you have a lock and unlock here. Your power control buttons are right here on the top. So for turning this guy on, you have a power button. So you have all of the controls of this unit right here at the very top built right into the handle. So again, you have your power, gives you display. You can change the different modes. Super cool. So yes, guys, this is an amazing little, well-built, I must say, vacuum cleaner. So let's put this guy to the test. Let's actually put it to work and see how well it actually performs. Let's get it. This also has the ability to stand up on its own, which is pretty cool. All right, so we're going to take this guy into this bathroom and do a little bit of cleaning. So really simple. I'm just going to go ahead and power this guy on. All right, guys, I got a lot more cleaning to do, but I just wanted you to see how this guy is set up, all the accessories that come with it. And yeah, I'll show you a few others here in just a second. This is a really old chair here, but I'm gonna show you guys the power of this vacuum. So we're just gonna go ahead and power this guy on. And we're just gonna get in here. All right, guys, I can honestly tell you this thing is very powerful for its size. So if you're looking for a portable, adjustable vacuum cleaner, this could be exactly what you're looking for. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just want to do a quick video on this vacuum to show you guys some of its cool features. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.